Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to list products from CJ Dropshipping to WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com. If you're not already, and after opening it up, guys, you'll be greeted by the main page. Where in the upper right corner, you want to get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log into your account if you're not already, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can add and manage for your website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding CJ dropshipping products to WooCommerce. What we want to do first is to open up the WooCommerce option right here at the left side screen. This is going to enable us to go ahead and get started with setting up a new store if you do not already have one. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and get started with managing it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the plugins and how we can get started with using the dropshipping option. So you want to click plugins right here at the left side screen. That's going to open up this plugins marketplace where you can take a look at all the plugins that you can use for WordPress website and for WooCommerce. So what we're going to do is use the search bar right here at the top of the screen to search for dropshipping. So you want to search for dropshipping. By searching for dropshipping, it's going to give us a result, all the applications and plugins we can use, and you can find the one that works best for you. One that a lot of people use is called Pocket. This is going to enable you to add products to your WooCommerce store and manage your orders using this plugin right here. So all you can do to install it is just click the install button that's going to appear right here. By clicking the install button, it's going to enable you to add it to your WooCommerce store. Currently, I'm on a free plan, so I cannot install it. By installing it and setting it up, you can get started with importing CJ dropshipping into WooCommerce, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.